Zombie apocalypse.
Hello friends, this is me Tafida. I know you can see my reading table is very messy and my sister. So today now I'm gonna clean this reading table. Okay, let's clean.
Okay everybody, okay, I have cleaned this table. Look, it's so pretty, nice and clean. And wait, I told you that which is mine and which is Rafida's. Okay, this is a line. That part is mine and that part is Rafida's. And this part is mine and that two doors are Rafida. And yes, and also, and I'm sweating a lot. Okay, come here everybody, come here. Looks so clean. Look everybody how much clean. And this is good work. Yes, good work. Guys, you have to do this work. And I hope you like the video. So bye bye everybody. Bye. And wait. Bye.